Super Talented Kid, a biggest platform to explore kids' talent. A proud moment to make your kid recognized worldwide. An opportunity to get honored in an award show. Also get a chance to meet with Bollywood celebrity. Apply now. Log on to www.internationalbookofrecords.com and for more details call 9646803875 7973 222208. Super Talented Kid, one in a million.
Hello everyone, this is Shri Gauri, mother of Kriyansh Gullapalli. It is our pleasure to introduce our son Kriyansh Gullapalli, a 2.1-year-old from Dubai, who has achieved the remarkable feat of becoming the youngest and fastest to solve jigsaw puzzle of the Indian map in just 1 minute 54 seconds. As parents, it is an immense honor to witness our child's creativity and talent at such young age. Kriyansh has been exploring and learning new things since he was just 8 months old. And this achievement is a will to his curiosity and passion for learning new things. We are very proud of him. And finally, I would like to thank Indian International Book of Records for this incredible opportunity to be a part of this prestigious award.